Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to get your garden hose ready for winter so you don't wind up with a mess come spring. If you've ever come back to a garden hose that's broken or has holes in it or not ready to go come springtime, this video is for you. Follow me as I show you how.
A major reason for holes in garden hoses in the springtime is because of the freeze-thaw cycle and the ice building up inside the hose. What we're going to do is eliminate all the water.
The trick to getting all the water out is going to be an air compressor hose. And what I did was I took a piece of plastic and I drilled a hole in it so that it creates a better seal along the outside. Next, you're going to take your hose, insert it at the end, and blow the water out. Next, you're going to run the hose all the way out. And remove it from the reel. Now the key is, if you have a chance to, hang it up inside, in a basement, preferably over the sump pump pit, so that you don't have to worry about water getting anywhere. I like to use a bungee cord for this. And all you're going to do is hang it like that. Install your frost cover. Take the loop, put it around the bottom part of the faucet, snug it, and pull the tab. Now your faucet's ready for winter.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment.